Sometimes history doesn't change with a shock. It changes with a single decision. And today, such a decision has been made. A decision that will shift the waves of the Indian Ocean in India's favor. South Korea's giant and one of the world's largest ship manufacturers, HD Hyundai, has chosen India. And within India, one specific location, Thoothukudi in Tamil Nadu. This is not just about building a shipyard. This is the birth of India's maritime era. Today, we take you into a story that will shape the next 50 years. Why HD Hyundai chose India. HD Hyundai, a global powerhouse that builds oil tankers, car carriers, LNG carriers, and mega container ships, and has recently delivered its 5,000th ship, is about to build its first ever shipyard in India. Investment, nearly $2 billion, 17,000 crore rupees. But the real question is, why Tamil Nadu? Why India? Hyundai evaluated 3 Indian states, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. All 3 have strong coastlines, yet Hyundai declared, we choose Tamil Nadu. Why? Because Tamil Nadu didn't just offer land, it offered a vision, a policy roadmap, a strategy for the future, and most importantly, trust. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and his team presented Vision 2030, projecting Tamil Nadu as the future maritime hub of South Asia. Thoothukudi, often overlooked in India's maritime map, turned out to be the hidden jackpot. What makes Thoothukudi the perfect location? Deep natural draft, stable weather, year-round port operations, vast expansion capacity, strong heavy engineering ecosystem, 60 to 65% local value addition potential. Together, these make Thoothukudi world-class shipyard territory. What is a shipyard, and why is it a game changer? A shipyard is not just a factory. It's an industrial city. Here, giant vessels, 300 meters, 400 meters, even 500 meters long, are built by thousands of welders, engineers, robotics teams, electricians, and technicians working together. Shipyards create massive employment multipliers. 1 direct job, 6 indirect jobs. Cochin and Mazagon shipyards together generate around 55,000 jobs. Hyundai's shipyard alone will create 80,000 plus jobs in the next decade. This isn't employment. This is economic transformation. India's shipbuilding industry today is worth just $90 million. By 2030, it is projected to hit $8.12 billion, a 90 times growth. This explosion begins in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, India's new industrial belt. In just the last 4 years, southern Tamil Nadu has attracted $2.2 trillion worth of investment commitments and thousands of new jobs. Hyundai saw the potential early and bet big. Hyundai said, India has talent, India has capability, India is the future. Their plan is not to build a shipyard alone. They plan to create a mega maritime hub, ship manufacturing, ship repair, technology transfer, global partnerships, massive employment, a stronger, self-reliant India. Why this decision shocks China? Only 3 countries dominate global shipbuilding: China, South Korea, Japan. China alone accounts for over 50% of the world's ship production. For the first time, a major Asian manufacturer has chosen India over China. This is a twofold blow to China. 1. Industrial displacement. Foreign companies that once depended on China for shipbuilding and heavy engineering now see India as a preferred alternative, not just an option. 2. Strategic rivalry. China has been expanding its influence across the Indian Ocean: Gwadar, Pakistan; Hambantota, Sri Lanka; Kyaukphyu, Myanmar. A strong Indian shipbuilding industry directly challenges China's maritime dominance. Why Hyundai's move is a strategic threat to China. Hyundai is not an ordinary company. The world's top shipping giants buy Hyundai-built ships. Once Hyundai sets up in India, India becomes a serious global shipbuilding competitor. China loses its monopoly-like position. The supply chain dependence on China gets broken. The world gets a secure, democratic manufacturing alternative. This is what the industry calls a market shockwave. For decades, China controlled ship engines, turbines, control systems, and marine components. Hyundai's India entry gives the world a new, fast, reliable, non-China supply chain. This is China's biggest long-term worry. What this means for India: a mega global shipyard, advanced maritime technology, heavy engineering growth, massive employment, rise of a national maritime renaissance. India emerging as a maritime power. The dream once envisioned by the Chola Empire, a strong Indian presence across the oceans, is finally rising again. Hyundai choosing India is not just an investment, it is trust in India's talent, capability, and future. This is the moment where India's story changes, with factories, ports, shipyards, and a renewed maritime identity. This was today's episode of Mitra Desh, exploring how India's maritime future is being rewritten. See you tomorrow with another story from another friendly nation.